you use the limit comparison test, make sure that the terms that you're adding is positive, and then you look at the top and bottom to figure out the dominant terms. Use that dominant terms to build a new series. You take the ratio of the two. Division by 1 over n is same as multiplication by n over 1. Simplify. Because the top and bottom's dominant terms are both n squared, the limit will become 1. And what's important is that this limit is bigger than 0. As long as you have something bigger than 0, you can say that these two summations, these two series, they converge or diverge together. Now, sigma of 1 over n is a p-series with p equals to 1. Therefore, the p-test says this series diverges. And that means the series we want to figure out is actually diverging.